Well, social networking is one of the biggest booms on the web, but which site, Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, which one is going to stay on top for the long run?
A big question here. Our next guest says that sticky content does not always equal staying power. Here to discuss the social networking explosion and what the heck sticky content means is John Gibs, Vice President of Media and Agency Insights at Nielsen Online. Welcome.
Hi, how you doing?
Sticky? Okay, give me the terminology. What does that mean?
Okay, so what sticky really means is people coming to a website, staying on a website, and coming back to it. So not, sort of flittering off into the internet universe somewhere.
You stick to it like flypaper.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
exactly.
David, there you are.
Well, John, what I'm thinking about is teenagers and how fickle they are. Talk about something that doesn't stick. It's a teenager. They don't stick on anything for long. Teenage fashions, for example. Banana Republic, one week it's this, 1 week it's that. Isn't it the same for the stuff that goes on the internet, that they can be on it and passionate about it one day and totally off it the next?
Yeah, I mean, one of the things that we've seen an awful lot of is we've seen social network sites sort of appear, grow up really, really quickly, and then just kind of lose popularity and go away. If you sort of think back to the history of these types of sites, you can go back to the GeoCities of the world, you can go back to the Friendsters of the world, and these are sites that, people glommed onto and spent a lot of time with and worked with and developed social communities
Where
with.
are they now?
And where are they now? And they disappeared.
Okay, there's something called Slide. I'm going to be interviewing that CEO next week. I went on the site and I thought, what the heck is this? Like, just directs you to Facebook. Am I confused and old for not getting it?
Well, there are a lot. I think one of the really interesting things that we see is that more of these sites are developing as part of a broader ecosystem. So a lot of them are working together. You have applications that are built into Facebook. You have Twitter feeding into Facebook. All of these different things are working together. So it's not necessarily one or the other right now.
Well, John, TV networks and cable TV rely on Nielsen ratings for advertising dollars. There's a direct connection between the two. Is there that same kind of connection between the work that folks like you do to try to track how many viewers a site gets and how much they can charge for ads?
Well, I mean, one of the things that our data is used for most often is for buying and selling and planning media. And so there's a lot of value to agencies, there's a lot of value to publishers in being able to look at our data in different ways and to be able to sort of show it to the marketplace and really understand what to buy, what's good, what's bad, and, really where they should be putting their dollars.
Okay, the parent of our network is News Corp.
Yep.
We own MySpace.
Yes.
Okay, so we put that out there. How is MySpace doing? Is it getting kicked by Facebook? What's going on? I hear some certain groups love MySpace, others, musicians like other things. I don't know. Who wins here?
So I think that one of the things that we've seen with Facebook is that they've kind of plateaued a little bit. And they've still retained a very core audience around artists, around musicians, around that type of space. And they have a lot of people coming back for that. So there hasn't really been the precipitous fall off that we thought there might be when Facebook came on the scene. And they've done a pretty good job with video and a lot of other things to keep people coming back.
But MySpace, we've got a new head of digital content here.
Yeah, I mean, again, we'll see what kind of changes they make. We'll see what happens. But it looks like this strategy of having it really be an entertainment portal, of it being a music portal, is really something that might last for the long term.
All right. Okay. So there you are, David. I'm not on MySpace or Facebook, but I do Twitter, David.
I know you do. I know you do. I still can't find the time, but go for it.
Thank you, John, very much.
Thank you.
Can the Obama administration untangle the web of Wall Street regulations?